Hi, my name is Sherry, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the wildcard characters we can use with the like operator. First off, the two characters we can use are the %, which represents multiple characters, and an underscore, which would represent for a single character. We'll start off by using our CIS 117 database. I'll run a statement just to pull all of the customers in the customers table. Execute. Looks good. So let's say I wanted to find all the customers whose first name starts with a K. So after your column name in your where clause, you'll insert like, K, and again, your %sign will help if it doesn't matter how many characters will display after K. We just want to find everything that starts with K. Execute. So here we got a good list of names that start with K. So where you place the % can also change how your results will appear. So let's say I wanted to find all of the first names that end in AH. So I will put a % first, then AH. And we see we have Cora and Deborah. So I'm going to comment this out and show an example for the underscore. So let's say I wanted to find a customer's last name that I knew was 4 characters long. So as mentioned before, the underscore can represent a single character. In my case, I know the last name ends in Y. Oh, for my example, it's supposed to be last name. I know the last name ends in Y, and it's 4 characters long. So I'm going to put my underscore 3 times, end in Y, and run this statement. In our case, I found Karina Lacey. So let's say if I were to remove my underscores and put the %. So the last statement we ran, we found 1 result, and it was for Lacey. For this one, you get 4 results because the % does a limit against, any number of characters. So we get Lacey, Holstery, and the other ones. Now let's say if I were to run this same where clause, but instead of %y, I did underscore y. This is telling me I'm looking for last names with 2 characters that end in Y, no matter what the first character is. We already know there won't be any results based off our last list of results, but that's just to show you the differences between a % and an underscore. And again, I know I'm looking for a 4-character name that ends in Y. So you put your underscore 3 times with the character Y. So that just shows you some of the differences between an underscore and a %. Thanks for watching.